All right, here we are. We've finished installing 3 packages. There's our A package. We'll get that one a name here later. There's our B package, no pun intended. And there's our C package. And they are active. So one thing that I will do here real quick, so here's some old boxes with frames in them that I'm leaving out here, and they will get all the honey and nectar off of them. And then here is a homemade protein patty that I made that they are eating, so they'll keep working on that. And then, because they can't get to it, what I'm going to do is take the metal feeders and dispose of those. But and for everybody's benefit, we will be naming the queens in the hives after real queens, queenly names. And this hive's queen has to have a name starting with the letter A, this one with the letter B, and this one with the letter C. I'll let the teams decide on the 19th.